further, Lingayen Beach is more than its war scars. The sparkling blue waters and powdery gray sand paint a perfect travel destination for guests who delight in sensory excitement.
Maganda rito kasi sa ating beach is yung fresh air, and that's why usually every morning makikita natin ang mga bata dinadala rito ng kanilang mga magulang. They play and inaano nila ang ating fresh air para nga maganda sa kalusugan niya ng mga bata. Of course, yung fishing namin dito, ang fisher folks namin dito, malaking factor yon sa amin, sa mga locals. Marami kami dito mga fisher folks. And ito nakakapagbigay sa amin ng mga magandang kabuhayan and produce. Then aside from that, in the afternoon, meron ho tayo yung mga glamping, mga nagka-camping. Our street vendors come over during, of course, summer. Meron ho tayo yung tinatawag nating Pistay Diet, wherein the local government also, we host yung ating para motoring. Maganda rin ho rito kasi nagkakaroon ho tayo ng mga activities na ganon para rin ho ma-promote din for international market. Napaka dami po ng activities na nangyayari dito.
Balik-balik ako dito kasi maganda ang Lingayen. Maganda ang tubig, masarap maligo, pati mga isda, sariwa. Pag inaantay namin, yun ang almusal namin sa umaga, yung kalukor.
Finding a place to spend the night wouldn't be an issue as accommodations are situated throughout the stretch. Best believe that there is a place that would cater to your needs and budget. Rooms at Mabuhay accommodations range from 1,000 to 5,000 per night. For cottages with aircon, prices range from 3,000 to 3,500 per night and 3,000 for non-air-conditioned cottages. Room rates are 1,500 to 10,000 per night for hotels and resorts, and full house transients charges 10,000 per night.
Available po tayo lagi dito. Once na yung isang accommodation is mapupuno, tatawagan natin yung ibang kasamahan natin para ipasa dun sa iba, para lahat ma-accommodate yung tourism dito, lalong mapaganda. So, ini-invite po namin lahat. Pasyalan po ang ating Baywalk. Marami po tayong mga available na accommodation dito. Swak sa budget at mag-enjoy po kayo sa aming dagat.
May mga stations po tayo along the coastal, which is dito po may isa po tayong station dito nasa Manibog area po, and continuous roving and monitoring po tayo, and for the peak season po nag-establish po tayo ng mga first aid station in each barangay. So yung mga don'ts and ano po natin dito is syempre po yung mga nakainom, bawal na po lumangoy, and yung mga kakatapos lang din kumain. Strictly, kino-comply po namin yung 6 p.m. na no swimming policy na po. So, before 6 p.m., from the stretch of the Baywalk ng Lingayen po, up to boundary ng Limmalay and Labrador, ina-announce po natin yan na no swimming policy yung 6 p.m. po.
With the initiative to boost tourism is the birth of this almost 13-kilometer Baywalk, serving tourists with different fun activities meant for recreation and relaxation.
So ito pong Baywalk na gawa po to, of course, to add accessibility para rin ho madagdagan yung ating road network. When we have accessibility, of course, businesses frolic, investors also strive and develop. Even tourists, not only the tourists but also locals, they have opportunities po na open up po yung opportunities natin. So this entire Baywalk is composed of almost 13 kilometers of road network. This also connects Lingayen and Bidmalay. And then as we continue on towards to the Agno River, magko-continue po siya hanggang sa bypass road ho natin. So napakalaking road network po siya, which is napakaganda pong development po natin dito sa Lingayen, as it will have more access to other nearby towns as well.
Blessed with an amazing geographical location, this landmark proves to be a haven, keeping adventurous spirits alive and helping livelihood thrive.